Hello everyone, I am Hira and today we are going to learn as well as in English. What is as well as in English? So today we are going to learn what is it and how to use it. It means not only but also. We can also use as well as when we want to add some extra information about something. As well as does not mean and. Okay, don't confuse as well as with and. And has different meanings as compared to as well as. Let's learn as well as in some examples. John as well as Mary wants to leave early. Here in this sentence you can say that John also wants to leave early and Mary too. It means both of them want to leave early. We can also say the same sentence that John wants to leave early and Mary wants to leave early, but no. As we want to add some extra information in the same sentence, that's why we say John as well as Mary wants to leave early. She is greedy as well as dishonest. This means that this is her bad quality, disquality, that she is greedy, plus adding extra information in the same sentence we say dishonest. So she is greedy as well as dishonest. Plants as well as animals need water to survive. Okay, here I didn't say needs because plants and animals both are plural. So when we have a plural noun, then we don't add any s or es with the verb. So we say plants as well as animals need water to survive. She draws as well as designing too. Did you observe anything in this sentence? I said designing too. I didn't say design too. Why? In the above examples, I was using as well as with a noun, but here as well as is used with a verb. So whenever a verb is used with as well as, we always give ing form to the verb. That's why I said designing, not design. So always remember that when we have a verb after as well as, then it must be in the ing form. I hope class today as well as concept should be clear. It must be clear, but still if you have any query, then do comment me. And if you have any request and you want me to make a video on it, then don't forget to write. Subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel Study English with Hira. Take care. Allah Hafiz.